How to save or export a video from CapCut to your gallery. To save or export a video from CapCut to your gallery, follow these steps. Launch CapCut app on your device. Choose the project you want to export from the list of available projects. Make sure you have completed all your edits and are satisfied with the final version of your video. Tap the Export button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Before that, choose the desired resolutions and settings for your video. Once done, tap on the Export again to restart or start the exporting process. Wait for a while until the export is completed. Then the video will be automatically saved to your device gallery or camera roll once it is exported. Tap on the Done button, and by following all the steps, you can easily export and save your edited video from CapCut to your gallery. In order to check, you can easily open your gallery and check. As you can see that it has already been saved to our gallery. That's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.